Good day, family. Today we are going to have our spicy fried beef. As you can see, all our ingredients are here. We have beef, we have soy sauce, mustard, black pepper, nutmeg, garlic. You can see paprika are there, onion. We have our butter. As you can see, everything is there. We put the butter in the frying pan. When it melts, then you take the beef, you put in, you start frying. Leave it to fry. This is celery, black pepper, this is our stock, the penny for the taste. If you like salt, you can add salt, but you know the stock is always salty. You can see that water coming from the beef, but you must leave it to fry. I add the garlic. As you can see, the garlic is there. Cover our frying pan. You can see it's still frying, the color start changing. I remove it. Then I cut our onion. As you see, I chop the onion, or the paprika, the red, the yellow. You fry it with the butter that was in the frying pan. After some minutes, then you take the paprika, you mix with the onion. Turn it together. You fry it a bit, yeah. After some minutes, you take now the meat that we have fried. You put it in the frying pan, you mix with onion and the paprika. You mix together. You can see the color. Then we take the paprika. I put on top the dry one. This is the mustard. I put on top soy sauce. Together, you mixed. It's almost done. Our food is ready, as you can see. It's just the mixing. And subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your food. God bless you. Like the video. Thank you.